Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Hedera or Hbar. Wanted to do a quick update on that. We'll talk about some fundamentals. Obviously the last time I covered it was after the shenanigans last week with BlackRock, which that's not so relevant anymore, but we did saw, and that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to cover it. I know quite a lot of you are still holding it perhaps after the news. We got some momentum yesterday. Obviously, yesterday we got some more momentum in general in the markets. So I do think that Hedera, even though the news was mostly fake news, I do think that there's potential in Hbar, in Hedera. And I know quite a lot of you agree with me on that. So I just wanted to give you my thoughts on it right now. Can we actually rally, etc. All right, so that's what we're going to do. So let's get right into it. First of all, if you look at the fundamentals for Hedera, the total value locked, it jumped up a bit, of course, last week after the news. Or what was it last week? I'm not sure anymore. I do think so. But last week jumped up. After that, it dropped down. But the total value locked in general from Hedera in the last couple of months has increased quite a bit. So fundamentally, look, that's interesting to know. It doesn't have that much effect on the price right now. What does have an effect on the price is both the market and the momentum that Hbar is accumulating for itself. And that's where it gets a little bit more interesting, I would say, all right? Because right now, I mean, this chart obviously looks horrific because of what happened last week. So what happened last week is that a lot of people bought and they are now slowly selling off. And that's still going on. However, what we see as well is that Bitcoin is turning slowly, but is turning a little bit more bullish on the short term. I don't fully think that we can actually get bullish markets soon, but a relatively bullish Bitcoin on the short term also means that there's possibilities for Hbar. And if we completely forget about the news that we had last week, Hbar historically has seen some very, very big rallies, all right? Also still last year in June, July, and August, for example. So a lot is possible, but the big thing is this level right here. All right, if we technically look at Hbar right now, the main level we need to break is this level right here around 11 cents. We got some strong technicals right there. It's just in general a relatively strong key level. So the only way we can actually rally and get back up to the next target, which I would say is around 12.5 cents, is if we break above that. And I gotta be honest with you, at this point of time, even though Bitcoin short term is relatively bullish, and even though we have seen some momentum increases for Hbar right now, it's not enough. All right, because what you have to do is you have to compare the bullish momentum that we're getting from multiple sources with the strength of this resistance level. And at this moment, the strength of this resistance level is just much stronger than the momentum we have. All right, so can we break above that? Yes, we can. But I would say that we need to see Bitcoin break above 60,000. And even then, I would wait for the confirmation. Wait until we actually get a close above that level. Then it's confirmed. And you can enter a trade if you want to with more conviction. Right now, in the current circumstances, it's just most likely, even if Bitcoin gets more bullish right here, it's just most likely that you know, we might head up there for a couple more times, but that we will ultimately stay in this consolidation range between 9.6 cents and that level around 11 cents. That's what I think is most likely for now. All right, now, like I said, keep your eyes on the market, keep your eyes on that level around 11 cents. If we do break above that, that could be a great opportunity. But personally, I'm not doing anything until we have broken above it. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.